Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a real life review of the Redmi band. Now this is a budget band from MI. So let's talk about what's good, what's not so good about this. Let's start with the physical feature itself. So this is a big band. It's not a small sleek band. Even though this is big, it does not touch your hand that much. So if you look at that, there's only a small portion which touches it because the bottom is already curved and the heart rate monitor area is small. It's not too big, so it's not uncomfortable on your hand. Now this has good display quality. It's got a 1.8 inch LCD display, which is quite clear in the sunlight. So it does have a 24/7 heart rate monitor, which is a true 24/7 heart rate monitor. It does not stop tracking. Then you have sleep tracking, you have idle tracking, you have step tracking and exercise tracking. Now in exercise tracking, it just has 5 exercises. So you have walking, running, jogging, cycling and regular freestyle exercise. Now the battery life on this is actually pretty good. Now if I charge this, it takes around 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100, and it with my regular usage of 4 hours of exercise tracking, sleep tracking on, 24 hours heart rate monitor on, the notifications on, everything on, it gives me easily around 4.5 to 5 days of battery life. The second thing is I can charge it whenever I want, wherever I want. So if I'm in the office, I can just remove this strap. So I just have to remove this strap like that and then plug it into my laptop and it's charged. So the convenience of this USB charging is something which I really like about this. Now this has an IP rating of 5 atmosphere, which is 50 meters. So this can be used for swimming, but it does not have any swim tracking on this. Now let's talk about the smart features. Now the notification option. So it does allow you to get notifications from almost anything. Now you cannot respond to the messages. You will see the notifications, you can see all the messages, you can see that you can clear all and then get more messages, but you cannot respond to that. But if you get a phone call, you can actually silent it or cancel it. You cannot pick the call, but you can silent or cancel it. At least that feature is available. Now one more important thing, watch faces. Now since it's a band and it's got a big screen, you would want to change the watch face. So this one gives you 71 watch faces, which makes sense. So they have, so since the band actually has 24/7 heart rate monitor, it does have does have a lot of watch faces which show you your continuous heart rate monitor, so you can see your heart rate directly over there. Now one thing which I did not like about this was the fact that they actually made a totally different, totally new software for the Redmi band. So the Redmi band and the new watch, the Evolve watch, the 10,000 rupees one, that works on the Xiaomi Wear app. You do not use that on, it does not work with the MI Fit app. So the MI Fit app is quite old, quite experienced. It has a lot of features in it, but that option is not over here. You have a new software altogether which does not integrate with other friends which are there on the MI app. Okay, so what are my final thoughts? So this is a band which is targeted towards beginners. This is not for hardcore people who are into a lot of gymming, a lot of exercising, a lot of weights, a lot of running, a lot of jogging, a lot of swimming and all these things, all-rounder. This is not an all-rounder. This is a basic band with only 5 exercises. So if you are a beginner, then go for this. If not, you have the MI bands, you have a lot of other bands in the market. You can look at them, but they'll not be as cheap as this. This is for 1599. When I got it, it was for 1799. So for that price, this is actually a very good band. So that's all that I wanted to talk about this. In case you have any further questions, go ahead, comment. My details are available in the description and at the end of the video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.